Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy solar panel not charging the camera. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Birdfy solar panel not charging the camera, so you just follow this video. So guys, first of all, check camera battery status. Solar panel are designed to trickle, charge and maintain an already active battery. Okay, if the camera is completely dead, the solar panel often would not have enough immediate to up output to turn it back on. Okay, so take the camera down and charge it to the 100% using the standard 5 volt USB wall charger before putting it to back out. Another thing is guys, adjust for sunlight and seasons. So your panel needs a direct and the obstructed sunlight to generate the power. Ensure the panel is angled to capture the maximum sunlight for your specified location and the reasons, and check for newly grown tree branches, shadows or debris blocking the panel. After that, clean the solar panel. For clear the solar panel, dust, pollen and the bird dropping significance reduce the solar panels significantly. Then disconnect the panel, mix and melt, destroy with the water and gently mix with the detergent with the water and gently wipe the surface with the microfiber cloths and resign through and dry completely. Then guys, inspect the cable and connections. So guys, a loss or the damaged connection will stop the power from reaching the battery. So unplug the solar panel cable from the camera and check the charging port for any dirt and corrosions. Firmly plug it back and ensuring it is seated correctly. So check the length of wire for frilling or bands. After test the charging ports, if your port is Bird's Model 1 has both a top and back charging port, so you can isolate issue with one port and work but other does not. So try to plugging the charger into the alternative port to see if the camera indicate it is charging. If it is only charged from one port, the internal wiring for the out port may have an issue. So these are the things that you can try to fix this. So guys, thank you.